Hello everyone! We are going to explore the Magento 2 Auto Cancel Order. It automatically cancels orders based on status and schedule. It saves time and reduces manual work. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. After installing the module, the admin needs to navigate to Stores, then Configuration. Go to Auto Order Cancel, where they can enable the Auto Order Cancel feature by selecting Yes or No. The admin can select order statuses such as processing and pending, for which orders will be automatically canceled based on the cron schedule. The admin can also configure email templates for both the admin and the customer to notify them of the auto cancellation. Cron timings for automatic order cancellation can be set to run daily, weekly, or monthly. Additionally, the admin can specify the exact time for the cron execution. Additionally, to access the configuration settings, the admin can navigate to the Auto Order Cancel menu and click on Configuration Setting. Let's look at the module functionality. If an order fails, the cron auto-cancels it, saving time. Both admin and customer are notified by email. After the admin and customer are notified via email, the admin can check the orders in Auto Cancel Order under Sales. Go to Orders and then view the canceled orders. So that's all for Magento 2 Auto Cancel Order. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.